Up everybody, so today I'm back out on the lake. Gonna give one more attempt this week to try and get a couple of Lakers through the ice and maybe luck out and get a salmon or a brookie, but just hoping to break my skunk, get a big lake or two and call it a day. So got the trap set out, got some dead smelt, so hopefully things will start picking up this morning and we'll get into some fish. So stick around and see how this goes. Dropped it, I think. Dang. Oh. There's a fish. Oh, yeah. Lake trout. Nice.
Laker!
Woo!
It's a decent
Lake trout.
hey.
Oh, that's a good one, too.
Yeah.
Perfect. Finally brought my skunk out here. Well, since I did forget my baked bucket, well, not baked bucket, but cooler to put fish in if I decided to keep any, and being all my smelts are dead, decided to put the lake trout right in the bucket, keep it from dehydrating and keep it somewhat fresh until I head out of here this afternoon. So can't wait for another flag to go off and hopefully get another Laker dad at the tally. All right, another flag. Off at an angle. Hopefully there's a nice Laker in the end of it. Oh yeah, good weight. So I try to keep this in frame. Well, actually feels kind of small. Took a lot of line though. Whatever it is, definitely swallowed it. Man, how much line did it take? Dang. Oh. Hope it's not just weeds. It is. Dang it. Man. Alright, flag number 3. Let's see if this one is a little more productive than the last. It's starting to pick up, and the other times I've been here this season I've caught quite literally nothing. So glad I at least have a fish on the board. Hopefully coming up I'll add to that number by 1. But like last year, just trying to help thin the lake trout out of here. They're definitely overpopulated. They didn't even put any salmon in this year, which is kind of unfortunate, but at the same time, well, they don't really get caught even though they're, you know, trap netted by biologists in high numbers. So maybe there's a chance you'll get a bigger one here, just less competition for smelt. Well, what's left of them in here at least. So anyway, guys, just about here at the trap, so hopefully the reel will be screaming and there'll be a big Laker in the end of it. Like last year, everything over 23 inches come back. That's what I consider to be more like your trophy grade fish. Obviously you want more of those in the population, but well, it's not moving. See, I gotta bend this back a little bit because obviously if you're out in the middle of the lake, you're not really gonna see it if it falls down. But oh, really off the side a little bit. Oh yeah, there's a fish on it. Oh, right out of his mouth. Shoot. Oh, another smelt down there. Mushed up a little bit, but whatever. Rebait this. Probably should have come here with my jig rod, but took a little bit of line. Another dead smelt on. Drop that right to the bottom. Hopefully not tangle my line up in the process. Whoops. All right, there we go. just jig this here for a second. Not really the conventional way to catch fish with a tip up, but I mean, hey, you never know. It did just pop up, so good chance it could be sitting down there just waiting for more food to come to it. Alright, well, won't waste too much time doing that. Get the flag put back into position, and yeah, hopefully this will pop back up here in a minute or so, and there'll be a laker on the end of it. Alright, back to the shack we go. Well, one problem I have with this jack trap has just become apparent again. When I took my ball apart before last year's season, I don't think I really fully bent the end of the tripper back on this one, so occasionally when the flag goes up, it'll fall right back down. Looks like that's happened to this, so hopefully it hasn't been up too terribly long. Oh boy, it's not spooled out. Yeah, I think when I get home I'm going to be tweaking this trap a bit to prevent that from happening again. Alright, well, I don't think anything. Oh, no, maybe. Off to the side. I'll just wait. Oh yeah, I got him. What? Catfish? What the heck? Well, alright. I guess there's that. Huh. Well, I'm pretty sure it's a bullhead. Just want to be sure though, because there's an invasive catfish in here. I'm pretty sure this is a... I really hope this isn't the invasive one, because I want to put one back that's not supposed to be in here, but... Well, okay. There's... Come on, buddy. Trying to get the hook out of your mouth for you. Of course, they've got jaws of like steel, so... hard to get the hook out of sometimes. I don't want to lose the hook because it's back in my car. Oh, buddy, I'll put you back. God. Oh, man. Alright, well, cut the footage and then I'm gonna get him unhooked. And quietly 2 seconds later I get him unhooked, so that was easy. Well, I guess I'll get a picture of him and send him back down the hole. I'm pretty sure this isn't the invasive one. Get the tail. I'm pretty sure it's pretty healthy looking catfish though. So that's cool. So I'll get a picture with him and send him back. Alright. Good enough, people. Let's get the old catfish release. Take a picture of this. Alright. Releasing a catfish I caught. Down he goes. You don't see that too often. Alright, well, get this rebaited and hopefully get a laker. Alright, right when I was considering potentially packing up and leaving, my lucky jack trap has gone off. It looks like, well, took all the black line off it. Something ran with it. If it isn't, I'll give it a second. Oh yeah, it's gone. Oh yeah. fish. Got it. Oh yeah. That's got some good weight to it. Oh. Well. Oh no. Oh no, it's still on. Man, I hope this isn't a catfish. Ah, it's a pickerel. Ah. Big one though. Nice. Get him unhooked and I could probably pack up right now. Call that a day. Sweet. Another fish on the Lucky Jack. Boom. Alright, so got him unhooked. We're just gonna put it back. Oh yeah. Not a bad way to end it off with this trap. Perfect. Okay, right as I walk up to my flag to take it down. Oh, I can hear that running under the ice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's hope this isn't a pickerel. Oh yeah. We got him. Oh yeah. Good laker. Sweet. Man, they're thin. Look at that fish. Man, alright, well, there's my 2 on the board for the day. Nice. Alright, everybody, so we're wrapping it up today. We're going to call it on that high note. Get the jack trap ball re-spooled. I'm going to put another hook on it when I get home, but hey, it doesn't matter. Got 3 fish today, got a number of good flags, and hey, I'm pumped. Finally got into some fish myself this season, so hopefully coming up we'll have some more action, maybe some bigger lakers, and hopefully some salmon. Got some cool plans here this winter, so can't wait to head up to those waters and make some new content for you guys. So thanks again for watching. I'm happy to finally be making some videos again. Until next time, everybody, tight lines.